I forgot the suitcase password. Don't hard pick the bottom of the lock, it has its own hidden mechanism. Open lossless for 30 seconds without tools. You don't need to spend money to ask the master to open the lock. Hello and welcome to my channel. Whether it's traveling or starting school as a student, everyone needs a suitcase. Passwords are easy to forget. Can't open when in a hurry. Hard breaking will also damage the box. Teach everyone today. 2 non-destructive unlocking methods for mainstream luggage. Simple and easy to use. We put the suitcase combination lock right on himself. Pay attention to the bottom gap of the roller. Slowly turn 3 sets of digital rollers one by one. Keep your eyes on the gap. Observe carefully. You can see a small pit on the inside of the roller. Groove. Patiently adjust 3 sets of numbers. Align all 3 grooves towards. This step is the foundation for unlocking. The number displayed after the grass is aligned is 765. We can try to open it. Apparently 765 is not the unlock code. Direct toggle unlock switch. The box will never open. It's okay, let's turn the numbers next. Just turn 1 number at a time. Don't hop. And 3 sets of numbers. The rollers must move synchronously in one direction. Add 1 or subtract 1 from 3 sets of numbers at once. Turn a space. Immediately pull the unlocking pick to test once. If it doesn't bounce off, just continue to rotate 1 grid synchronously. Repeat test. Under normal circumstances, try up to 5 to 6 times. The lock pops open instantly. No, it's open. The original password is this. I really forgot. The whole process only takes a few tens of seconds. Won't scratch the lock body. Will not damage the box. Completely lossless in packing. What about the inside of the suitcase lock? There is a buckle structure, when only the numbers correspond to the groove position. What about the buckle? Synchronized scrolling numbers match the buckle points one by one. Extremely efficient. 100 tests. How about a lot of friends? I will wonder if I remember the password in advance to play. Show on site to teach you to change the suitcase password. Unlock again after disruption. Real proof method is universal and effective. First, adjust to the correct password that can unlock the lock. Press and hold the unlocking pick throughout the process without letting go. Then move 3 sets of stick wheels at will. Create a new set of numbers that are easy to remember. Release the pick after setting. The new password takes effect immediately. Now we relock and scramble the numbers. Then we repeat the unlocking process in its entirety. Align the bottom 3 grooves first. The number displayed at this time is 085. The toggle switch doesn't respond. Then the 3 sets of numbers are rotated synchronously one by one. Test the switch once per turn. Just a few seconds. The lock pops open directly. Unlock number. It happens to be the new password we just manually set. The method is real and reliable. The second type of digital top. New combination lock without bottom groove. What about this lock? No exposed grooves. The unlock logic is completely different. Keep pushing with one hand. Push the pick in the direction of unlocking. Don't let go the whole time. The other hand slowly turns 3 sets of digital scroll wheels one by one. Key field distinction. When the scroll wheel turns to the correct password number. What about the internal buckle? It will tighten. What about the fixed roller? It will obviously get stuck. Smoothness is vastly different from other numbers. Leave the numbers of the 3 sets of cards completely. The combination is the complete unlocking password. Now let's open it up. Open the suitcase directly. This unlock trick can only be used in your own suitcase. Specially solve the emergency problem of forgetting your password. Luggage combination lock protection ability is limited. Only the gentleman can be prevented, not the villain. Everyone must hold the line. It must not be used to open it privately. Flipping through other people's suitcases. Comply with laws and regulations. Civilized use. Coup. Friends who think this issue of dry goods is helpful to you. Be sure to like the collection. Forward it to family and friends who often travel for school and live on campus. Save it for a rainy day. Thank you for your support. I am Yao Yao. See you next time.